Yeah.
What you got, man?
That motherfucker just pretty much just.
Y'all niggas see it. Hold on, man. No move, no move.
I got you.
Y'all niggas see it, bro. Yes, sir.
That motherfucker just.
Out here, boy.
That bitch just slide through the little screws. That's it.
Out here.
You wanted one of these? I can send you the link. It's pretty neat. You can customize the letters, colors, all that shit. And like if you recording, you ain't gotta worry about nobody, or editing your plate out. You just pop it on.
That motherfucker stay on too. I rode all the way from like Clayton County back up, and my boy was like, "Bro, you got your cover plate on." I was like, "Oh, no, that was when the accident happened at the cruise."
That was me.
I rode that bitch all day, bro. I forgot to take this off the whole day. Hold on, I'm gonna auto start this shit.
I called you. I said, you know.
Hell no. You record?
Punk ass won't let me rev your car, man. Fuck. One more time. That shit ain't loud as mine. Shit. I think that shit loud. Shit ain't that loud. My shit loud as me.
Y'all see it, man. We out here, bro. I think I lost all here and right here, but it's all good.
His shit ain't that loud. Oh yeah, that's right. She don't like cameras. She don't like cameras.
Oh, my bad. I ain't gonna get up out of here then.
Nah, that was me. I pointed it at.
What you feeling? What you want to look at?
Watch out for that puddle right there.
I'm going right here.
It's
Nigga.
smaller right there. Y'all in front of me. I just ate it. God damn it.
Motherfucker dirty. It's alright.
What the Hellcats at?
Wait, that's a. That bitch. Oh, that's a. What shit is this?
I looked at the back of that shit. I thought it was a G8 at first. Oh, this ain't Apollo. Now this is a Caprice, nigga. This is a Caprice.
That's fuck.
Yeah, you got it.
This ain't an Impala?
Huh? Well, hold on. Hey.
That bitch cold.
Hey. Yo, Demi. Hey, ain't that a holding badge though?
Yeah, hell yeah.
That's a Chevy SS then.
Yeah, this an Impala.
How's that Impala? With a holding?
No, but you can buy that and put that shit on there.
That's false claiming as hell, boy.
I think.
I'm confused.
I'm gonna walk around. I see a hood. I'm gonna look at it. Browsing. Let me see what's out here. I got this motherfucker right here. Oh, that nigga walked off on me. Fuck him. What they got going on out here?
I gotta go actually get some E.
What you said, bro?
A real good place to get some E.
You got a governor on that shit.
Speedway always got.
That's still governor, ain't it?
Yeah, Speedway.
Yeah.
I got an E85.
Fuck the headlights though.
Yeah, me too.
And I test that shit. I went to the racetrack off Jimmy Carter. Guess what that shit tested at? Like 90%.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Nigga, I ran that car so hard that night, man. I ain't never feel nothing so damn good. I was like, damn, this shit moving, bro. But we getting ready to go to the BP after this because we just came to drop by. Because we got to get gas. I got to get E and D, he got to get regular pump. But we finna ride to the place where it's a BP and it's straight, it's 85. I take it down to 85.
I'm gonna put regular gas in my shit today.
Regular gas, that's all it takes though, right?
Yeah, I take regular. Really, to be honest, really, huh?
No, you got me confused. What you mean regular?
SS
87?
Yeah, SS 87, bro.
Man, put premium in your shit, man.
Bro, it come 87, bro. I'm telling you.
For real?
No, nigga. Believe that stupid nigga. Believe that shit, bro.
You can't put this car here.
You can do whatever you want to do. But where that bitch gonna crank up later on, it's on you.
87? Who watching the car?
And you got a good. What's that?
I
Wells
think-
at the back. You got Wells.
They're
BMS. They BMS. Them shit look like. Not playing. Y'all see it, bro?
Yeah, his shit look like Chris a little bit. He got the 17.
Yeah.
17. I think Chris got VMS too. I mean, not Chris, my bad, Mike.
Yo, the badge on the back.
RTR wheels? No.
Sir.
It's real carbon fiber.
Go ahead, man. It's real. So, I see it, bro.
It's clean right there. I can't even hate on that. That's clean. I like that. I ain't going flex. I like that.
You got that Yodi shit on. Look good. Yeah, I will
You know,
Hellcat sitting over there, man.
who?
He said you don't want to. He ain't trying to do shit.
He said he was like, oh no, y'all can't keep up with me the way I drive. I'm like, he said it stopped, but I mean that don't really mean, that don't really mean nothing.
I think it might be a red eye with a wide body.
It might be.
I look at it. Shit, I want to go look at it.
You want to try to go pull up on it?
Yeah, I'm walking by him.
Sitting in the car with the door open. I don't want to make it scary.
Where
we got the cameras.
where you at?
He right there. He's sitting in the. Oh, that ain't a Hellcat. That's like a fucking Kia or some shit.
Nah, Hellcat, he over here.
Oh, he over here?
You trying to record for me? I gotta talk my shit.
Hold that shit. No.
Alright. I'm gonna talk shit. Okay, let me say your car.
Nah, man, don't do that. He might be an older guy. I like this, man. Where you get this from? Where you get this from? Where you get this
Amazon. About the whole setup like that, just attached to everything. Microphone, you got the light.
That
Light
shit.
help, man. You can tell it dim the light if you got to.
That shit nice, man.
I seen got them big head underscore forward that shit. I said, I gotta get that.
I need to start recording too. I'm missing out on some damn quality footage. Where? Oh,
Excuse me.
You gotta do Drip States.
oh, right here. That nigga got the night rider shit. Yeah. Man. He said to stop.
What kind?
Who car is this?
Sound like the police for out.
Oh shit.
I don't know.
A lot of meat on his tire.
Oh shit.
Must be new.
Hold up, guys. I'm just gonna keep living my life.
Trey.
Who trying to slide with my boy, bro?
Are y'all sure this is a cat?
He wants somebody to go out there with him in the pit real quick.
Oh shit.
He said y'all niggas slow. He said y'all niggas slow.
The badge is 1 centimeter too high.
Get out there and got you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
What are you talking about?
Sliding in a pit or something like that.
What pit are you talking about?
I don't know. I ain't doing that shit.
Come on, man. I'll buy you some $10.
Oh, you gonna buy me some $1,700 tires? For real? You got me like that? All right, I'll do
to the
it.
Mexican. Get about $40 a ton. Don't you worry, my friend.
$40 with the time?
Shit, that ain't shit.
$40 with the time?
I got some spare. I think so.
This shit on.
Y'all trying to head down and get that E so we can meet.
Yeah, you gotta go with that shit.
Put it out of the
This shit nice, man. I like this shit. How it sound? How it sound?
Box all that extra, I guess, but it does a good job. When everything goes plays back and I render everything, it comes out real nice.
Hey, JB? Yeah. Got a lot of my
Oh, my bad, man.
Yeah, you can dim that bitch down.
I'm trying to look at that shit. I keep blinding myself.
You can dim it down so it don't blind the fuck out of niggas.
Pop my shit, bro.
Hey, bro, Fro though. What year is it? What year is it though?
Oh, shit. Hold on now.
Gotta pop the hood for.
You all start, nigga?
Where you at? Where you at?
Oh,
Where you
shit.
at? Where you lying over there?
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
You see what, man? It's like my calf muscles right now.
No, hell no, not the calf muscles. Hell no.
What you gonna get me? I mean, shit. What you got, son? What you gonna get me? I'm older. You forcing Russia. What you gonna get me? You gotta give me some. You gotta give me some.
I just talk shit, man.
You can't take everything. You gotta give sometime, my brother. I don't know where
I'm a hand this off to you now, sir. So you can pay me later.
All right, I'm gonna pay you in like. I'm gonna see you another subscriber.
Maybe later. Go ahead, pop your shit, my nigga. Pop your shit, bro.
Man, y'all already know whitewolf Trey, bro. Already out here. It's hot as a motherfucker.
Yeah.
No refreshments as usual. But that's how it is on this side.
Yes, sir.
Motherfuckers don't want to goddamn feed you, but it's all right. I'll swing by JJ's again, get a little something extra.
Okay.
A little hot out here.
Yeah.
I like the Hellcat.
Okay.
I thought it was an RT. What you gonna give me though? I need something. I gotta at least give me a car. Can I get a car in the head? Can I get something? Can you roll the windows down for me? Look, a car in the head, and you gotta ride with the windows down. Come on, give me something. And then you gotta get 3 passengers. And 3 passengers gotta be in your car.
That's front and back, nigga.
I'm trying to get you more traction in the rear. Other play. No burnout. No prep.
Say cold tires.
I wanna, yeah, thank you. Cold. The only way you gonna warm the bitches up is from here to that starting line. I'm sorry, my bad. But I'm just fucking with y'all, man. I just like a good laugh, man. But that motherfucking nice. I ain't gonna lie, that motherfucking sharp. Hey, what the fuck James go? Them motherfuckers don't cut on? Damn. Alright, fuck it. Alright. I ain't gonna get some goddamn gas. So fuck it. That motherfucker wants his thing. What's his car? Ain't his car right there? In between, right beside mine? That nigga in his goddamn car. I can't. I can't see. That motherfucker talking about he need gas. He need gas in that slow ass goddamn car. Oh my bad. That motherfucker still standing. Y'all already know. Y'all already know. Tap on in. Tap in. Bro. Y'all already know. Bro. That white wolf. Come on now. Do something with it now. That bitch sharp. Big bad wolf. The big bad wolf. Tap in with it, bro. Fuck with it. Come on, fuck with me now. That bitch going right. Hey, let me get that gas, bro. We showing our face, we talk, let's go ride. We ain't gotta do no more talking, let's go ahead and ride. We did all the talking.
Okay.
You gonna ride with us, man? Might as well, man.
That man got adopted tonight. He adopted. Oh shit! Anybody got? Well, we'll get the address at the gas station. Oh, I'm sorry.
Us, man. Now everybody over here, he approached us on some cool shit.
That's because we roll together. Like, you know what I'm saying? Everybody want to ride separate based on the plan, but we roll together.
Yeah.
So we try to just mix it up.
Facts. Well, you got the address to the meet, right?
Yeah.
I guess we get the address. Okay, they gotta get gas. Well, I know him, my boy gotta get some gas. Huh?
He on East, so I don't know what fuel station he going to.
Hey, where you going though?
I'm gonna go to the BP off the one I was telling you about.
Is it in the direction we gotta go?
To get to Keys?
Yeah.
It's past them. They literally, nigga, it's gonna take us, if we leave this turn, if we make a left out of here on the main road, it's gonna take us 2 minutes to get over there.
So we gotta go past them and then come back down.
Yeah, they
All
right there. Unless Keith
fuel
want to
station
participate and come with us to go get the
But
gas.
where's the fuel station that you're going to? It's off of you, Howard?
If you, it's on Jimmy Carter. It's like right off the house.
I'm gonna get in the car. Yo, y'all already know, man. We gonna get some gas for the car. My car, I got a full tank, but my boy needs some gas. Y'all already know, man. Let's go ahead and get this shit rolling, man. The motherfucker hard out here. These motherfuckers it's getting dark as a fuck. But let's get up out of here. Boy, y'all look at this man, bro. This man gotta give me props. You look, but I ain't had a camera footage, so I can't say much.
I'm glad you think that.
That's all right, bro. You know what? You was low on fuel.
There you go. God. You finna get right. I'm finna show him what
Listen now, y'all.
real law supposed to be.
No, you know what? All you gonna do is give him more weight in the real.
I can't even. My goddamn pen's shaking. I can't even.
Damn. Y'all see how that Chevy put fear in that pony. You see how that I was like a dog behind you, boy. That wolf, boy. I don't know if that
Behind me, right?
What's this man, bro?
Behind me.
I gave this man a hit.
He ain't give me no goddamn hit.
It's okay. You need that weight in the reel. You need that to hold that thing down. You was kind of fishtailing a little bit. I thought you were doing them bottom. It looked good though.
I messed up because I'm still thinking I'm on my mission. I forgot I got radios and all that.
80 on the tire. That's a hard tire right there, ain't it? That's a hard tire.
And watch.
Hey, just right below this, I need you to put white wolf.
Hey, hell no, man.
They gonna look good, ain't it? They gonna look good. They gonna look good. Hey, cut that bit right, big bro. Cut that bit right now.
I can't do it like y'all, man. I don't know what kind of battery y'all niggas live off of.
No, LEDs. Those they don't really burn no battery.
They don't burn no battery?
LEDs? Like a headlight bulb will kill this shit. LEDs, you can run the bitches all. They use like a fraction of what a light bulb would use. Yeah, they don't. Yeah.
It smells a little different.
It smell like a.
Where you eat from?
That's Speedway.
That Speedway, you know what potency it is?
Oh yeah, it be good. I had one time it was like 892 almost.
For real?
Yeah.
My shit don't. Well, I don't be running my car, my hood open that much, so that's probably why I smell it so.
You notice? You know how that pump match that man's shoelaces, bro? See how he coordinate? Y'all see how that man coordinate? That boy. Hey, hold that bit now. You hold it now. You almost lost that bit, bro. Hey, give me the hit, bit, bro. Oh, pop your shit. Come on, bit, bro. Pop your shit, bro. Give me that. Can I get the hit? What's that laptop? This your tuner, bro? This your tuner right here? Man.
Oh damn. Hey man.
I'm one of y'all. Y'all playing and I ain't got playing. I had to show one of y'all.
Hey,
Y'all turn that bitch up.
bro.
When y'all turn that bitch up, y'all get the hell on. I ain't not. Yes, sir. What y'all doing, bro?
Hey Chris.
Oh, man. Wait, you manual automatic?
I'm automatic.
Oh, shit.
I'm automatic.
Hey, this is a smart man right here. That's it. I heard a lot of recalls to that motherfucker, though. But it's kind of... Okay.
But the top end, bro, it really shine. It really shine like when I get past like 110,
Yeah.
it seems almost like it's turbocharged, bro. I be reeling everybody in
Damn.
when I get up there.
Yeah.
We gonna go down, we gonna make a U-turn and we gonna come back. This shit slow as fuck, man.
I beat that nigga, bro. That nigga, man, he lost, bro. From a D. He lost from a D. Hey, what we doing again? What we doing? Why we just... We gotta go. Hey, who you got? I got left lane. Oh, that Wayne. Oh, that was weak. It's already on. Don't listen to this man, bro. I had no time. I had no time to go home. I had no time to go home. Tell him, bro, I had no time. We swam
I got
by the
next to
house.
this nigga on the highway, right? You saw
I didn't know what he was saying. He was like, go, go. I'm like, he didn't say a 40. Hey. He didn't say a 40-year-old or 60. Matter of fact, he said, let's do an 80-year-old. I said, 80-year-old? Bro, I yelled at him. I said, bro, honk it off. He didn't want to honk it off, bro. I said, bro, honk it off. And he said, don't worry about it. I'm like, I'm telling you, bro, that motherfucker slow as hell, bro. I'm gonna show y'all that name. Y'all some talk to him, bro. He got it, bro. He granny shifting that thing, bro. He can't stand against that big bad wolf. It's doing something to him.